Oh shit, here we go again.
Hello everybody, I hope you all are doing good. A few days ago I uploaded this video. The thing is, my lovely subscriber Joey Castellon has asked me to search for color red and see for color blue, but I did the reverse of it.
Are you stupid or something?
Maybe I was a little high on that day. Anyways, I will do that today. So, let's go to the lovely Google website and type in color red. Now, after pressing enter, I have to look for the color blue. Okay.